What up, guys? So right here, we have us a pair of Ray-Ban glasses. Now these are authentic Ray-Ban glasses, which Ray-Ban's pretty good quality, and I want these lenses out. So I don't know if you've ever tried taking lenses out, but the better quality glasses, Ray-Ban, Oakley, Maui Jim, they can be a bit tricky. So first, the lens always comes forward out, at least on Ray-Bans. Um, you know, sometimes I've had to use a C-clamp, not normally, but if you just get it on there somehow and apply a little bit of pressure, it will relieve a little bit of pressure. On the other side, if you're trying to not ruin the lenses, probably don't want to do this method. And like I said, it's pretty rare that I even ever do this, but I have done it and it has helped. Typically, the best way to get these out is you take the top and the bottom. They're usually the weakest part of the glasses. They can be moved a little bit. So I pull them apart, and as I'm pulling apart, I'll try to work the lens a little bit, try to move it just a little, but I'm pushing pretty hard as I'm pulling it apart. Um, they are in there pretty good usually, but just got to put a little effort into it, and there it comes. That's a nice lens. So one down, one to go. On the other side, usually this side's a little easier. I'm just going to do the same thing. Pull the top and the bottom apart, and as I'm doing that, I'm pushing. And it should pop right out. They can be a little tricky. There it comes. And like I said, they always come forward out. So, Ray-Ban glasses, lenses gone. If you've learned anything, feel free to like video. And for more how-to videos, you can check out this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and good luck getting those lenses out. They can be tricky sometimes.